case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit heard Friends of Shawangunks, Inc. v. Clark in 1985, a landmark case focusing on the conversion of public outdoor recreational lands to non-public uses. Under the Land and Water Conservation Fund Act, these conversions require the Secretary of the Interior's approval. At the center of the legal mire was a federally funded conservation easement, an agreement designed to protect the scenic beauty of Lake Minnewaska in Ulster County, New York, from development and preserve it for public enjoyment. This agreement also permitted the operation and maintenance of existing facilities within the described area, one of which was a non-operating golf course. When Marriott Corporation obtained an option to purchase the conservation land to develop a resort facility, the situation got contentious. The proposed amendment to the easement drew sharp criticism from Friends of the Shawangunks, a local conservation group who believed that it violated the stipulations of the Land and Water Conservation Fund Act. Despite the objections of Friends of Shawangunks, the PIPC, Palisades Interstate Park Commission, approved the modification of the easement. This permitted Marriott to expand its golf course, drill wells, boost water usage, and allocate acreage for residential development, actions which Friends of Shawangunks argued were inconsistent with the original agreement. The proceedings at the district court gave rise to legal controversy, as it was decided the easement lands were not intended for public recreational use. The Second Circuit Court saw this as a misinterpretation of the law, leading to the lower court's decision being overturned. In their deliberations, the panel determined the need for the Secretary of the Interior's approval for any conversion from public to non-public uses, as outlined in the Act. The case was then remanded to the district court for a further ruling prohibiting alterations to the conservation easement without necessary approvals. Implicit in their decision was the recognition of how challenging it can be to balance private interests with public benefit on government-encumbered lands. As for any lingering issues related to discovery, the court determined they were now moot.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.